If we have less number of followers, then this is the technique. This technique is called the hello effect technique. And what it does is, let me tell you, it creates a hello of people they who don't know you, but they feel that they know you because you are connected to something. And how do you do this? You do this by going on LinkedIn. And once you're on LinkedIn, what you need to do is you go and find some top people who are getting top score comments and everything. Now see over here, 201 comments, 53. This is a suggested. Now, if this is a suggested, I go over here. If, for example, Jesse Puji is somebody from my industry, I'll click on his post. I'll first go back. I need to go for only this post and then I click repost and repost with thoughts. Now, when I'm reposting with thoughts, I need to read that comment. Okay. And it says, I just deleted 147 cold emails without reading them. Here's why they got it wrong every morning when works. So then I say, thanks a lot. Okay, you also have a hook what Jesse has shared and say that this is one of the best pieces of advice Jesse has shared us and how it helps and everything. Now, when you share this post, what happens is I am not sharing it right now because it's not from my industry. That's why I suggested. What happens is a lot of people who know Jesse, okay, founder, CEO, and everything, they, if they are even not part of the network, okay, they will become aware about you. And if they comment on whatever you, so over here, see, over here, thank you very much. This is how Vivek Hatangadi is an influencer. So what has happened is Pranav Kumar enters the concept of design thinking in India. Now Pranav Kumar has shared this. Okay, he has not commented, he has shared. Because he has shared this, what happens is this comments. Okay, these comments are not part of Vivek's post, are part of Mr. Pranav's post. So now whoever comments on your post, this is how you'll start getting comments. So this post, the investment done to write this post is by this particular person, while you just thank and tagged other people, and now you start getting traction. So this is how you do this one time in the morning, one time in the evening. So why morning and evening? 8 o'clock to 8:30 is the time when maximum people are very active on LinkedIn. Why they are active? Because they might be traveling or anything, but this is the LinkedIn algorithm that has identified it. Now, if you do a post between, so just identify something around 7 o'clock or 7:30, which has got huge amount of comments, or maybe say a day before or yesterday, if you have found a post which is a good enough post, you can share it in the morning around 8 o'clock along with tagging that person about and how it helped you. As you tag it, you start getting comments. As you start getting comments within the next 5 minutes, even if you don't get comment, just repost the entire post. So first is repost with message. The second is repost, just repost. Once you repost it, if you have 100 connections, 200 connections, 300 or 500, they will get it as a notification. This is how it will come as a notification. So why I'm getting notification, either I have commented or I have so I am following. So this is where I'll keep on getting the notification. So as I start getting notification, if I'm interested, I'll visit that particular post. Now why in the evening? Because between 6 o'clock to 7 o'clock, again the activity level of people increase. It's like people wake up in the morning and they want to look whether there are any job opportunities on LinkedIn and who has achieved what. These are the two things people essentially go on LinkedIn to look for in the morning. In the evening, maybe they have applied for some jobs and they are wondering, have I got any application or have I got any interview around? In that particular thing, they will see that in the newsfeed what you have shared. So daily two post is what you have to share. Now, if that is one way to do it, to get more comments, the second particular part is start commenting. I use this tool called Merlin. I have a video. I'll share the link of this video, this tool, how to use that tool and install. It pretty much does the work. So your reflection on Andre Agassi and everything, it's pretty much great. So I don't waste my time about thinking what to comment and everything. Usually I will directly click over here and 38 comments. So great, fantastic. So what I'll do, congrats, and I invest every day commenting at least 50 comments every day, because LinkedIn profile optimizer, I analyze through the overall. This is what I found out. So let me follow. So Satish Gupta. So every day I need to do this activity. If I don't do this activity, what happens is, uh, what happens is, if I comment, what results is Amrita will comment on my profile. Now, if Amrita is not connected to me, there she is bound to come and check my profile. There is a possibility she will comment on my profile, and that's how we'll start having the connection request. Now let's see Nina Tipnis over here again. Now let's see Kanika Vinay, pharma placement. Let's come connect. Big thank you for support. Let's see Parth. Okay, therapy manager at. Let's comment on Parth. So whenever you comment, the person actually likes it. See, everybody is posting something on LinkedIn. Why? Because they want to tell people that what they're doing, and they want people to endorse this thing. If people start endorsing it, it gives them a dopamine effect and let them feel happy, because this is what happiness will help you to connect with them. So again, I'm commenting. So over here, let's see that Udeshi. Now you can follow. There are two comments. Okay, let's comment on him, because if there are two comments, what happens is he is actually looking for comment. Most often, that is what is happening. Mm. So designing lingerie for me. Then let's say Udhara Dudia, Cadaveric, Antino John. Let's comment for him. I usually search for places where there are very less comments, one or two comments, because my one comment actually gets noticed among the people who have liked and people who have commented. So Hitesh Khandelwal, sales leadership, 3 comments. It's a CXO profile, so I need to check also. Again, Hitesh Khandelwal. Said Hitesh Khandelwal. I'll tag both of them, because what happens is Nilesh is this. What happens is both of them, if they are not connected to me, they will straight away send me a connection request. Now, what if that Nilesh Patel is some other person? He will DM me and tell me, hey, you tagged the wrong person. It's okay. Let's connect. See, the first thing is LinkedIn is a networking platform. We need to increase our network. If you don't increase our network, it's useless. Now, why the hell will be on LinkedIn if we are not able to increase our network? So this is how you need to start. So focus on three things. I'll again repeat. Point number one, share, repost with message 2 times in a day. If possible, post one from your profile one day, and you need to post native posts, three native posts per week, two posts, repost with messages, 50 comments, and 25 connection requests is what you need to follow on daily basis on LinkedIn. If you do this, after the 31st day, there will be time, and weekly you will get at least 30 to 40 comments on your profile, on your post that you are doing. Mind you, this gives you a lot of standing and authority in the industry. A lot of people will look up to you. I get a lot of leads on LinkedIn in my industry. They look up to my profile because I'm giving every time I'm giving on LinkedIn. I'm giving this insight, I'm giving this thing, I'm giving that thing. People start learning a lot, and as people learn, they start looking up to you that, oh, if I want to do something of this sort, I will always connect with you. That's how I start connecting. So happy getting to those 1,000, 2,000 followers, and start getting 30 comments on each of your posts. Thanks and bye for now.